Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is statistics. So from the chapter today I am going to explain about median. First of all, what is the median? The median is simple the middle term of the distribution when it is arranged in ascending order. For example, let one data have n observations. If n is an odd number, n means number of observations in the data. What is the meaning of median? The median is simply the middle term of the data. If a data have n observations, n means number of observations in the data. If the value of n is an odd number, what about the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. So what is the median? Median is nothing but n plus 1 by 2th term. If the data are even numbers, if n is an even number, what is the meaning of n? N is nothing but number of observations. If n is an odd number, what is the median? N plus 1 by 12th term. If n is even number, median is equal to average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So now to find the median, we have two cases. Case 1, if the data have odd numbers, it means number of numbers are odd numbers. Then what is the median? N plus 1 by 12th term. If n is an even number, what is the median? It is nothing but average of n by 12 and n by 2 plus 1th term. Here, find the mean of the following data. What is the observations here? 75, 21, 56, 36, 81, 5, 42. Solution. To find the median, first you have to arrange the observations in ascending order. To find the median, first you have to arrange the observations in ascending order. What is the smallest one here? Ascending order. What is smallest one? 5 is a smallest one. Next 21. Next 36. Next 42. Then after 56 and 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about the other one? 81. So first I arrange it in the ascending order. Then after count the observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. So n means number of observations. N is equal to 7. 7 is an odd number. So what is the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. What about the n? 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4th. So what is the median? Here median is 4th term. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th term is 42. So what about the median? Median is equal to 42. If n is an odd number, what is the median? N plus 1 by 12th term is called the median. Here what is the n plus 1 by 12th term? That is nothing but 4th term. So median of this data is 42. Here is another example. find the median of following data. The data have, what are the observations here? 3.3 comma, 3.5 comma, 3.1 comma, 3.7 comma, 3.2 comma, 3.8 are the observations. First, to find the median, first you have to arrange the observations in ascending order. So what is the smallest one here? 3.1. Then after 3.2. Then after 3.3. Then after 3.5. Then after 3.7. And after 3.8. Next, count the observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 observations. N is equal to 6. 6 is which number? 6 is an even number. So what is the median? Median is equal to average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 term. Then first you have to find the n by 2 term. N means 6 by 2 is equal to third term. What is third term here? 1, 2, 3. Third term is 3.3. Then after n by 2 plus 1, it is nothing but fourth term. What is the fourth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 3.5. So median is equal to average of 3.3 and also 3.5. Median is equal to average of 3.3 and 3.5. Why? Because 3.3 is the third term. That is nothing but n by 2. And 3.5 is a fourth term. That is nothing but n by 2 plus 1. 3.3 plus 3.5 it is 6.8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. What is the median here? 3.4 is a median of the data. Median of the data arranged in ascending order 7, 10, 15, x, y, 27, 30. This is in ascending order. Is 17. So median of the data is 17 and if one more observation. So to this data one more observation, that is 50 is added to the data, has become 18. So before adding 50, median of this data is 17. After adding 50, median of this data is 18. So find the value of x and y. So here first 7, 10, 15, so on. These are in ascending order. So before adding one observation, median of this data is 17. After one observation 50 is added, then whatever the median, median of the new data is 18. Now find the value of x and y. Solution. What are the observations? 7, 10, 15, x, y, 27, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what about n is equal to 7? 7 is an odd number. So what about the median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation term. Okay. What is the median given here? 17 is equal to n means 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. It is nothing but 17 is equal to fourth term. What is the fourth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4. X is a fourth term. So the value of the x is equal to 17. Case 2. One more observation. That is 50 added. Then what about new data here? 7, 10, 15, x, y, 27, 30, 50. Here 50 is added to the observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now n is equal to 8. 8 is an even number. 8 is an even number. What about the median? First you have to find the n plus n by 2 term. N by 2 means 8 by 2 is equal to fourth term. Then n by 2 plus 1 is equal to fifth term. The value of n by 2 is fourth term and n by 2 plus 1 is fifth term. What about the median? Median is equal to average of fourth and fifth term. What about the fourth term here? X and fifth term is y. Average of fourth and fifth term. Then what we generate here? X plus y by 2 is equal to 18. What about 18? 18 is here median of new data. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 17 plus y is equal to 18 into 2. 17 plus y is equal to 18 to the 36. Then y is equal to 36 minus 17. You have to subtract. So what about y? Y is equal to 19. So 9 questions. Here is your homework. Find the median of first 11 natural numbers. Find the median of the following. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 15. Then find the value of x. Find the median of following observations.